Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to unbox and assemble the Ariel Rider X-Class Step-Thru. Now, before we get into it, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you like the content, and also ring that notification bell for future notifications of our videos. All right, so let's get into it. So, we actually flew out to Seattle, Washington this summer to go visit the guys at Ariel Rider, and we were able to hop on this bike and take a test ride, and we really love this bike, and we're finally getting our hands on one, so we're super excited because we loved this bike when we were riding it in Seattle. So we actually can't wait to make some content with this. Like I say in all my videos, be careful of the staples there. When you open it, there's a box inside of the box. They do a really good job of packaging this thing and shipping it. We've never had a bike come damaged. We've had boxes come in that were damaged, but never the bike, because they do a really good job of packing this thing and making sure it's protected. I'll take some styrofoam out of here. You got your toolkit, all your tools in it, your pedals. I believe this is the charger. Yep. And the user manual. Make sure when you first unbox this that you do send them an email to register your bike to make sure you get the warranty with it. You've got extra screws in here, which is nice to see. Touch-up paint, and this is for your cable management, just in case you want to use this on your wires. I do recommend having another person help you out, but I do not have another person right now. Oh, the headlight. Cool. Take the tire off first. Make sure you check what you're cutting first. You want to cut any important wires or cables. There we go. Alright. There we go. Yeah, so make sure you have another person do it with you guys, because it was a little tough. Yeah, check that out. That is a staple. So we're going to cut all this off, and keep that on for now. The handlebars. Oh man. Yep, guys. So, you know, I always say in my unboxings, make sure you watch out for those staples, and I went to go grab the box and pushed it farther away from me, but one of them got me. Ooh, nice. So we're going to use our stand there. That should hold up the bike for us. And we're going to put our handlebars. I love these tools they give you. And actually what we're going to do, what we should have done before we started, was to take the battery off. So the keys are going to be up here on the handlebars. Make sure you don't lose those. And look, they give you 3 keys. That's awesome. I'll show you how to move the battery. So what you want to do is turn it to the left. You want to hold it there, and the battery will pop out towards you. And that will actually make the bike lighter, so it's not as heavy. Those on there. Want to make sure your display is on the left hand side. Put it back on here. You want to line it up, but we can do that after. Bolt started here. I love that logo. Ariel Rider, if you want to make like merch with that logo, I think that would sell very well. Alright. This is going to be your throttle. Here we go. Your 7-speed shifter. Shimano Tetra brakes. So yeah, so we're going to do the front wheel next. So let's get that brace off there. We're using the 15 on the left and the 14 on the right. There we go. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna line this up on the axle, and you want to make sure that that rotor is lined up in between those pads there. And there you go. Alright, so after we get the wheel and tire on the front, we're going to put our washers and nuts on. These both go on the outside. Alright, and you'll make sure that these are definitely tight on there. You will have a lot of problems, so make sure you tighten these very well. We want to use our 15. And if you guys are interested in your own Ariel Rider X-Class Step-Thru, please use our affiliate link in the description below. It helps us keep making content like this for you guys. And we definitely appreciate it. Now let's put on the front fender. Alright, so go on like this. Loosen it up this way. Alright, so what you want to do is make sure that the part that's going up in the back is going to be towards the back of the bike, and the front is going to be this little bigger piece up front. So we'll take our little nut here and start threading it on the back. Looks good. Alright, next we're going to put on our headlight, which is in this box here. And that is sick. That's the nicest headlight that they've come out with. This bike does have turn signals, which in my opinion is a great value. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, bracket's going to go on the outside. And you want to make sure you do this while the bike is off. You don't want to damage the controller while you're doing this, because we'll be plugging the light in. There we go. Alright, then you just want to take your connectors for the headlight and just pop those in there. Now the headlight is on there, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over and do the rest of the bike, but then we'll adjust the headlight after. So our next and final step of putting together the bike is going to be our pedals. Alright, and then what we're going to do, we'll put on some red and tacky number 2, some anti-seize, and what we usually do is just take one of the zip ties that we have, we cut off the bike, and just apply, not too much, might be a little much for that, but apply that on there. So make sure it's enough so that way it covers all of the threads here. And then what we'll do the other one. Alright, so your pedals here. One has an L for left, and the other, you guessed it, has an R for right. So the left is going to be, it's going to be if you're on the bike, and this is going to go counterclockwise. Alright, you got to make sure these are nice and tight. And then this one is going to be clockwise. Finish that up. So guys, there it is. And basically, make sure you check all the nuts, every single nut, go over the whole bike, and make sure everything is tight. But other than that, that's basically the assembly of the Ariel Rider X-Class Step-Thru. Nothing too crazy. If I could do it, you can do it. And again, guys, if you are interested in your own Ariel Rider X-Class Step-Thru, please use our affiliate link in the description below. It helps out the channel a bunch. It helps us keep putting content out like this. Alright guys, but until next time, thank you for watching. Peace out.